So number 6, let's say meron tayong 1 equals 3x then plus 2y squared x nauna yung y, x squared. Okay lang yan, press lang naman yan. So okay na yan. So meron tayong ditong given guys, so derive lang natin implicit. So 0 kasi constant, then derivative ng 3x, that is 3. Then syempre ito guys, magkaano na naman yung mga variables natin magkatabi. So product rule ulit yan. So actually pwede na rin ito i-mental o direct na lang, wag na tayo gumamit ng UV. So para masanay ka sa ganito gagawin. Basta yung formula guys, UV prime plus BU prime. So magkakaroon tayo ng plus. Yung U natin is yung 2y squared. Pwede naman eh. Yan. So yung U natin, remember, lagay nga natin dito yung 2y squared. Then yung V natin, that is yung x squared. So sabi natin kapag magde-derive ka ng y, magkakaroon ka ng y prime ha. So yung U natin, that is 2y squared. So copy lang natin yun. Then remember yung formula pala. Ito ko nilagay, baka maguluhan kayo eh. So that is a product rule. Ito yun. So yung U natin, that is 2y squared. Then derivative ng x squared, that is 2x. Then plus yung V natin, that is x squared. Lagay natin dito. Then times yung U prime. So derivative ng 2y squared natin guys, that is 4y. Tama? Pero nag-derive tayo ng y, magkakaroon tayo ng y prime. Dagdagan ng y prime. Then syempre simplify mo na. So magkakaroon tayo ng 0 equals 3 plus 2y squared times 2y 2y squared times 2x. Magkakaroon tayo ng 4x y squared. Then ito guys, magiging x squared times 4y y prime, magiging 4x squared y prime. So bawal tayo combine guys ha, kasi ito magkaiba ng variables. So bali, lilipat lang natin tong term na to sa kabilang side. I-isolate natin yung y prime. So magkakaroon tayo ng negative 3 pag nilipat. Dahil itong 4xy squared natin, magiging negative 4xy squared equals 4x squared y prime. So syempre guys, i-isolate natin yung y prime. So di-divide natin ito lahat by 4x squared y. So maka-cancel lang. Matitira yung y prime. Both sides yan. So magkaroon tayo ng y prime. As kung ano yung nakalagay dito. So that is negative 3 minus 4x squared over 4x squared y. So ito yung maging y prime natin. Yung final answer. Dito nakalimutan. Hindi nalagay yung y. Anyways, naiwan.